So today I'll be showing you how to double weft your bundles or tracks. For example, you want to fit more hair into your wigs, your installs, or clip-ins. Instead of sewing single wefts, you can double up, which speeds up the process. You do want to hit reverse when you initially start because you want to make sure that that is secured and it does not come loose when you go to sew these bundles down or while the wig is being worn. You don't have to do this once you get like the hang of it, but just to be safe, I like to hold my two pieces together. So as you can see, it's stitching the bundles. See more videos on sewing machine tips, tricks, strategies, like construction, definitely like this video or leave it down in the comment section so I can get those videos out to you. But yeah, this was just a quick short video. I want to thank you beauties for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Keep flowing, hit the gas, keep going. Yeah, them girls on tour, going city after city.